Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, May 18th, 2024. Check out the Grok radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.4 cents, down 0.41% with volume down 31.93%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.6 cents and a low of 12.4. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,341,393,000 which is up, and a trading volume of 6,618,000 which is down. Etherscan is showing 311,691 holders, up 17. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 44.77%, number 2 is Upbit with 10.13%, and number 3 Truebit with 8.27%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 207,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers, growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on tote.